Hey, what's up, window cleaners? Louis here with Superb Window Cleaning. I'm going to be doing these windows right now. It's a first time cleanup. I never done a video doing a first time cleanup, so take a look at how filthy these windows are. They're just covered in like white smear marks. If you can pick that up in the camera there. But take a look at them. I mean, just completely dirty. All right, so my next video you're going to be seeing is me getting these windows all cleaned up, you know, doing a step-by-step process on first time cleanup. All right, let's do it. Okay, so I'm getting ready to do these windows, this first time cleanup job here. I'm going to go over the equipment that I'm going to be using to make these windows look like they're brand new again. Okay, so my first step that I do is I get a cobweb brush like this one here. You can pick this one up anywhere, you know, any place like Home Depot or even your favorite window cleaning supply company, okay? And what I do is I brush around all the frames, the bottom of the frame, I get all the dust. If there's any cobwebs, I knock it down, okay? That's my first step. And then my next step would be to wash the window. So I'm gonna be using a 30-inch Sorbo Grizzly Yellow Jacket washer. This has the white scrub pad here. It's really aggressive getting like, you know, like greasy fingerprint marks or nose marks from dogs, but a really good washer to use. I like to use this big one here, this 30-inch, because it'll cover a lot of glass really quick. Okay, so then my next step would be to scrape the window, and I use a Sorbo 6-inch paint scraper. I highly recommend this paint scraper because of the fact that the blade is on the outside. So what it does when it's on the glass, it flexes. So it gets all the entire width of whatever debris is on the glass, whatever paint, sticker, or anything like that. It'll just take it off in one movement, in one pass. Okay, and this one here is the swivel one. He has a angle one too on the market, and it's good for like when you do extension pole work, maybe like a second story window. You don't have to go and grab your ladder, waste time grabbing a ladder. If there's a sticker up there, all you have to do is angle the scraper to the right pressure, and it'll just take that sticker off really quick using an extension pole. Okay, all right, so what I have here too, what I like to use when I do paint scraping or using a razor blade on the glass, I use Sorbo's Squeegee Glide. This is a friction reducer, so that's going to help me out when I scrape the glass. And also it would also helps to prolong your squeegee rubber because you know, it'll take care of that too because of the friction reducing agent that it has in this too. And also it keeps the water from evaporating really quick. This is a good time to use it. Summer's coming around, it's getting hot, and this will help you out, okay? All right, so the star of the show, what I want to talk about here on these windows is the Sorbo 48-inch Eliminator. With Sorbo, it's working smarter in less time. Most people would use like an 18-inch and do the fanning technique all the way down. But I like to use less passes. You know my videos, if you've seen them before, it's all about saving time with me. So with this 48-inch Eliminator, I can just do these windows in 2 passes and you're done. Not so many movements, okay? And I also wanted to talk to you about this pole. I've been using it more lately, and I can say that I highly recommend it for people that are starting off their window cleaning business. This is a very good starter storefront pole. This one here is when it's not extended, it's 5 feet. When it's extended, it goes all the way up to 8 feet. And then it has this clamp right here that clamps real tight. It has this groove here that keeps it from spinning around, and it's a very good sturdy pole, heavy duty pole. It's not going to bend on you. I mean, I use a lot of force on using this, and it stays so sturdy. You can find this pole. Go on to Amazon.com and then type in extend a reach pole, and they have different sizes all the way up to 30 feet. So recommend this pole. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just do the video as if I'm doing this job, and you can just watch me work. Okay? All right, take care.